So this is a report on the latest improvements on our cabin in Idaho. About 2 months ago, the excavator was used to create a very rough roadway. Here's another view of what it was like after the rough cut of the roadway. But after it had been tamped down, it looked smooth and was very passable. This happens to be the section that was very rocky. But this is what most of the road looked like. It was just a dirt road. And that would have been a problem if we had left it that way with all the rain that began to fall in September and October. But our subcontractor got the heavy 3-inch rock down that interlocks with itself and creates a very stable base. Just last week, they put down a 3/4 inch gravel, and it makes for a very good roadway. All of this has been cleaned of equipment, construction debris, leveled, graded, sloped so it will drain. We now have a road where rain and mud in the fall and in the spring and snow in the wintertime shouldn't keep us from getting to the cabin. The next thing has happened. In this first photograph, if you look at the center of it, you'll see the foam insulation that is on the exterior walls, but the other walls there is actually got a cellulose material. It's a good insulation, but it's also very good at soundproofing. So that's all in the insulation. That work is all done and it's ready for drywall. And the final thing that has happened, and very exciting to see, a couple of weeks ago, this is what the deck looked like. And now you see that the deck has gone into place. So that's what things are like at our cabin in Idaho on Friday, November 8th. And when there's further progress, we will make an update, which will probably be in a couple of weeks.